Hello everybody. This time it's gonna be hairstyles, or specifically winter, because winter seriously sucks. Style number one, it's stupidly easy. You can just get out of here after this one and you say, yes, I did something productive today. So you're gonna take your hair, this is my technique. I just take my hair and I twist it, and then I take more hair like that and twist it. And you're gonna do that all over until you get here. Once you get to the middle, you're gonna tie it. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side of your head. Once you have both sides ready, then the next step is going to be just tie them together, okay? Ha! I think it looks pretty cute. Then you can take some hair from here. La, 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 la. You can keep it just like this, or you can make a bun on it, like I'm gonna do right now. Pretty! See, your hair looks pretty. It doesn't matter what scarf you have. This is not a scarf, by the way. This is the second hairstyle. Do you know how you make a regular fish braid? See, I'm taking hair from down here, but I'm not taking hair from up here. You tied it. And now you do the same thing with this part of your hair. Now that you have two sides of your head, you're gonna tie them together like this. I'm gonna take some hair out of here so it looks a little bit prettier. You can just keep it like this, or you can do the same thing as the other one. You can make either a bone like this. You can also make another braid here. I would recommend with this one, just roll it like this. Like that. And then you take your bobby pins and attach it. Oh, it's done. Hairstyle number 3. It's going to be a regular fish braid, like from up here to down here, and then at the end we're gonna make like a tiny bun, so you don't have to worry about your tangled hair, as I said before, with your scarf. You take a piece of hair, divide it by 3, and then you put one on top, then the other one on top, one on top, and then the other one on top. You take hair from this side, join it, and then you put it on top. And you do the same thing with the other one. You tied your hair. La 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 la. I'm tidying my hair. La la la. You take the braid and you just roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. And you tie it from one side and then from the other side. There. Don't forget about take your hair out of here. Also, to make it messier, you can take your scarf and you just wrap it all over your hair. Bam! Messy hair. Well, probably not that messy. Giving tips. Style number 4. It is pretty easy. So this is how it goes. You're gonna take your beautiful hair, right? And you're gonna divide it in half, okay? Then you're gonna take half of your hair and you're gonna make a low ponytail, well, half ponytail. Bam. You're gonna do the same thing with the other half. You're gonna take your ponytail, right, and you're gonna divide it in 2, like this way, and you're gonna pull all your hair in this direction, okay? And you're gonna do the same thing with your other side. And now you have this. What you're gonna do is take your hair and you're gonna twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And this is a trick that is so valuable. This works for every single bun. you're gonna twist it, right? And then you're gonna do your bun. And here, you're gonna take one elastic and tie it. Now you're gonna take your bobby pin, you're gonna tie it through that elastic, and you can hide that bunch of hair. You tie one side of the bun, the other side of the bun. This is how it looks like. Of course, don't forget about take some hair out of here, right? Some makeup, hiding the acne. Hairstyle number 4. Okay, so we are almost at the end of this video, thank God, and this is the idea number 5. We're gonna take a tiny piece of our hair from the top, and we're gonna twist it. And you twist it close from the roots, okay? You're gonna do the same thing with the other side. And you're gonna tie it on your back. Make sure that it's really tight to your hair. There, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take now another piece of hair from the front of your face, I guess. You twist it really close from the roots again. Take it back. You do the same thing from this side. And you tie it. Now what you do is that you're gonna take this one, these ones going through the first one, like this, see? There. And we're gonna do the same thing a third time. Bam. And I do the exact same thing, but I'm going through both of them. This one is going through the 2 other ones. There. So now what we do, with all this hair, we're just gonna make another bone, a bone. Okay. Don't forget about these ones. Now you can wear your scarf without bothering about your hair. And the good thing, your hair is protecting your ears from the cold. Bam! 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 And so that was everything for this video. I hope you enjoy it and that you learned 5 new styles to tie your hair during this winter time. If you like it, please share this video. Seriously, I hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and to give likes or thumbs up, which is the same thing. And see you guys another time and another day. Bye bye. And of course, this video has been sponsored by the rotative chair. Thank you very much. Without you, this video couldn't be possible.
Oh yes, I'm the chair.
And you're beautiful too.